Otto, what kind of experiment are you up to this time? Are you about to set a world record for robot water walking?
Oh, much bigger than that. I've analyzed the basilisk lizard, the undisputed water walking champion. If they can do it, I can too.
Let's check with an expert before you turn into a submarine.
Hi, Nakira and Otto. I'm Dr. Maddy Sauleda, a scientist who studies the amazing forces between water and movements. And I hear we have a water walking mystery afoot. Let's break it down.
Yes, Otto thought he cracked the secret, but, well, let's say he's currently sinking.
I love the effort. The basilisk lizard can run on water because it moves super fast, slapping the surface of the water with its water-repelling feet, and they move super fast. So when they're slapping the surface of the water, they create little tiny air pockets that act like stepping stones. So the lizard, while running really fast, can run across.
So, I just need more speed? Activating turbo mode!
Or we could just accept that we're not lizards.
Exactly. The small hydrophobic feet and the small air pockets help these small creatures travel across the water. However, for anything bigger, swimming's probably a better option.
What other animals use water in mind-blowing ways? Imagine and explore.
Bye! Water's full of surprises. Don't forget to keep exploring the world around you because science is absolutely everywhere.
Looks like Otto's sticking to swimming. Know it, show it, own it. What a fun adventure! Be sure to like and subscribe for more. See you soon!